How to use rectangle command in AutoCAD. This command is used for create a rectangle using length and width value. Select the rectangle command draw panel or shortcut key. I will use shortcut key. Press the REC from keyboard, then enter. Specify the first point, then press D. Give the dimension, length and width. I give 500 mm length and 1000 mm width. Then press OK. You see it's draw rectangle. Now I will check the dimension, length and width. This is used for this command is used for rectangle, for windows and doors and everything what you want to rectangle type. You can use this command. Thank you.